Hi there, I am Melody Mooney, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to fold your clothes. So let's start with your underwear. Shh. Okay, all right. So what you want to do first is you want to get yourself a flat surface. I always fold on my kitchen table, but you could do it on your floor or on your bed, anywhere that's flat. I have here women's underwear and men's underwear. So let's start with the women's. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my underwear, cute, and I'm going to put it down, and then I'm going to fold in the left side to the center. Then I'm going to fold in the right side to the center, so it kind of makes a square. Fold the bottom up, and there you have it. Look at that. Nice and neat. Let's try that again. Okay, so I'm going to fold in the left side to the center. Going to fold in the right side to the center. Then I'm going to fold the bottom up. Now this actually gives you more room in your drawer for more underwear when it's flat and organized. Now let's move on to the men's. Again, you want a flat surface. It's really easy with guys. Keep it easy because you want to actually have your husband doing it. So what you want to do is just take them, shake them out a little bit, get your flat surface, and fold your left over to your right, and then your middle down. So look at that. Simple, right? Okay. Again, let's try it again. Shake it out, get your flat surface, fold your left over to your right, and the center like that. Again, you can see how flat these are. You can get more underwear into your drawers, and you can see which ones are which. So there you have it, some secrets to folding your underwear.